Hi, I'm Scott, and today I'm going to show you what's inside this box on Dad It Yourself. So I got this box a couple of weeks ago via international airmail from Australia. That's the first hint you got there. I teased it a little bit on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, here's the link right here. I tease things on there, show samples of what I'm doing, and give hints on some of the projects I'm working on. So I'd appreciate a follow there. But let's go ahead and open this box up and see what's inside. So if you haven't figured it out by now, what is this? This is the Ryobi R18W 3/8 drive impact driver that I got from Australia. It was $159 after shipping. How does that compare to what's available here in the United States? Well, here's the multi-tool, same exact body. This is $69. Right angle driver. Drill driver right there, $69. And the 3/8 impact driver you can get right now, $79. Is it worth it? Yeah, I wanted one. They don't have them here. But this top here is also compatible with the rigid tool accessories. So I could have gone that route, but this is Ryobi now, and I can actually take this off if I want and put it on here as well. So I have a lot of options here. As you can see, we got two settings, one that way, and that way, forward, and reverse. I think that's a pretty good deal. I'm pretty happy with that, and I think it was worth the money to get something you can't get here in the United States. I'll have a link down below for the eBay sale if you're interested in picking one of these up. And if you're interested in picking something else up, I'll put a link for this awesome Ryobi shirt in the description as well. Hey, this is a really quick video, but I wanted to show you this new tool I got right here. I'm also working with a new camera, so bear with me as I get used to that new setup. If you have any questions or comments, put them down below. Speaking of comments, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And if you subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. I got some videos over here you may be interested in, and the subscribe button's right there. Hey, thanks for watching. Dad it yourself.